As you know, the topic is use of nanocrystalline silver dressings in burns wounds. Bemda Hospital experience since last 15 years. This is my disclaimer that I personally or Bemda Hospital doesn't endorse or sponsor any specific brand or product with this talk or presentation, but we are sharing our clinical experience for the medical education and patient welfare purpose. You should be able to know the details of Bemda Hospital, which is sharing this experience. That's why there are a few slides about our infrastructure. This is a 100-bed capacity hospital, but presently we are running 40 beds functioning. It is a NABH accredited hospital since September 2018, and we are having burns care center since 1999, and uh, annually, since last 10 years, the statistic shows that we admit around 215 indoor major burns patients and about 1,000 OPD cases of minor burns since last 10 years at this new burn setup. We cater patients from almost all over India, and majority patients are from around 300-kilometer perimeter of central Maharashtra. As you know, the transportation in burns cases is quite a challenge. We are having 70 people working with us, along with our full-time general surgeon, Dr. Bipin Miniar, an intensivist anesthesiologist. As you know, infection control committee is very much part of any burn center, and specially trained burns nurses in NABI. Then we have physiotherapists, nutritionists, and supporting specialists. This is our OPD complex, and this is our burns unit, which is having 10 ICU beds, and remaining beds are on first floor of the building for step down cases. And these are few special equipment, that is MIG micrografting, which we are having since 2007, which is useful for major burns cases. This is just to show that burns is a very I mean, physically challenging situation where you need many assistant as a helping hand during surgery, dressings, etc. This is our general plastic surgery floor on the first floor of the building, and we have one of the best operation theater with the laminar flow in this region. So coming to the clinical cases of use of nanocrystalline silver dressing, there are many types of silver dressings, silver containing dressings available for burns dressing or any wounds, chronic wound dressing since many years. We at Bemda Hospital have tried some of these silver dressings, and with our experience now, we are mostly routinely using nanocrystalline silver dressings with because we have satisfactory result with this. This is a case of this is the first clinical case of use of nanocrystalline silver dressing. It was a 28% total body surface area immersion burn in a female child, age 1 year, 10 months, and she had accidental fall in the tub filled with hot water, and she was admitted to Bemda Hospital on third day. So, as I said, for deep burns, even due to hot liquid, if we feel there deep second degree burns, sometimes immersion burns, which are almost third degree, where there we use this nanocrystalline silver dressing. The patient was presented on third day, so we under anesthesia we did it on fourth day, and this was the second application after 3 days. As you know, this dressing works for 72 hours. So after 72 hours, we reapplied the dressing, and this was the result, excellent result, that is faster healing on 20th post-op day. There was no need of any skin grafting or anything, and this is the picture taken on the 10th month of his follow-up. You can see there is a good cosmetic result, except there are some areas where there is a little hypertrophy, which were deep areas of deeper areas of burns. This is case number 2, uh, where there was a 7-year male child having 56% infected burns due to hot water. He was admitted elsewhere for initial 4 days, and on fifth day he came with wound infection to our hospital, and we applied a silver dressing under anesthesia on sixth day. And this was the picture at the time of second silver dressing on ninth day and on 12th day, and this was the picture on 21st day of his burns. And this patient had excellent healing, and this was the result. Yesterday only we got his picture on WhatsApp, and you can see there is excellent healing. Uh, this complete healing took 27 days post burn, and this picture is after 3 years of his burns injury with almost a good cosmetic result and functional result as well as no function, no any deformities. Coming to case number three, this was a 2 year 7 month old female child having 35% burns injury, and the patient fell down on the floor where there was already spillage of hot water, and she got this 35% burns, and she was admitted to our hospital on third day. Yeah,
Yeah.
this was the case where we use on third day this Acticode. On the front aspect, that is the chest, we have used collagen in this case, which Santosh wanted to ask, which is the choice. So in this patient, on the chest, we have used collagen, and on the back, we have used, which was little deeper, we use Acticode combination. And this was the picture on 12th day. There was good healing, and this picture was after 22nd day on follow-up. Coming to fourth case, that is 29% total body surface area scars in a 2 year male who got burns while taking steam for upper respiratory infection, and the hot water from the container fell on the patient's body, and he got immediately admitted to us. And this is how we applied silver dressing, nanocrystalline silver dressing. And on face, the burns were not that deep, so we have used collagen. And yes, applying Acticoat on face is little difficult because of the thickness of the dressing. So we prefer collagen, or we can use Acticoat Flex, which is thinner silver dressing for face, just to update the various options. And this is the picture after healing, and complete healing was seen on 16th post burn day. This was in the process of removal of Acticoat. Then coming to case number 5, it was a 54% total body surface area burn with smoke inhalation injury. He was a 38-year male who had burns while working in powerhouse, accidentally got electrical burns, but these were electrical flash burns. There was no direct high voltage electrical injury, fortunately. And this is how on the second day under anesthesia, we applied collagen for the face and Acticoat for other areas. And this is the picture on 12th day. I'm showing back because back was a little deeper compared to other areas. And this was the picture on 16th day. You can see the healing. And again, this was picture of other areas on 16th day of Acticoat application. And patient had complete healing on 24th day without needing any skin grafting or surgery. Though he had lung problems, he was on non-invasive ventilator during second week because of inhalation injury, but he recovered well. And this is the picture after 4 months. Good cosmetic result, good scars. Yeah, yeah. This was a case, clinical case number 6. Use of nanocrystalline silver dressings in 45% total body surface area burn. He was a 23 years male having 45% electrical burns due to a short circuit occurred in 11 kV control panel, and he was admitted to our hospital on second day. And again, he had not any direct electrical injuries like wound of entry and exit. And this was flash burn, and his clothes caught fire, and he got these flame burns. So this was the third day where we cleaned the wound and applied Acticoat, and serial applications after every third day we did for this patient. You can see the wounds of fasciotomy also on this. And this was the picture, late picture, maybe around 21 days, where almost all the wounds were epithelializing. We expected some areas may need grafting, but only few areas needed grafting. These are serial photographs application. This was on 18th day, and only few areas where there were incisions of fasciotomy needed graft, and rest of the areas healed well. You can see there's grafting for this fasciotomy wounds which didn't heal. Otherwise, all the burns healed well using silver dressings. Grafting was done on 29th day, and this is the picture with no any functional disability, no contractures. On fourth, this is 40th day of picture. Even on face, we use collagen, and it has good cosmetic result on this patient. So coming to third ARS, what you use for dressing on face related to this by this dark this thing dressing material. This is Acticoat Flex. For those who have not used Acticoat Flex, for them I wanted to show this slide. This was Acticoat Flex 7. So here there is an advantage that this dressing remains on the wound and active for 7 days. And the same dressing can be used for face. You can see I use it on face. Just like collagen, it adheres well because it is thin. So coming to next case, this was a 45% total body surface area burns in a diabetic patient. He got burns while burning waste papers in the gallery, and accidentally he poured kerosene on that, and there was a flame burns, and he got 45% burns. And he being a diabetic, again there were chances of infection. So choice of dressing was nanocrystalline silver dressing applied under anesthesia on third day when he was stabilized. And this was a picture on 12th post-operative day. And this was a picture on 15th post-operative day. Almost majority of wounds were healed. And patient was discharged, I think, on 25th or 28th day. And this is the picture on after 10 months, I think. 10 months. This is the picture of almost complete healed scar. As the hair follicles are intact, yes, the burn was not much deep on the back.
So one question from my side, since
Yeah,
this was the case with diabetic patient,
yeah,
any specific challenges that you faced, because diabetes once again creates many more complications.
yeah, yeah.
So any inputs or any tips and tricks for handling burns in such kind of cases, basically.
Yeah, diabetic patient needs proper management of blood sugar levels so that the wounds should not go deeper. Otherwise, second degree burns will go to third degree, and there will be more complications like patient may need surgical intervention like skin grafting and all. And of course, patient may deteriorate. So we have to take precautions that wounds should heal without infection. For that, good sugar control and of course the best of dressing material available, which I feel that this silver nanocrystalline silver dressings are there. And we need good cooperation this advice from the intensivist and endocrinologist for blood sugar management. And we have to be very particular to have a good glycemic control in such cases. Yeah. So this was a case number 8. This was a 40% deep burns due to steam under pressure from cooker blast while she was working in kitchen. And this was covered with Acticoat under general anesthesia on third post-burn day. And this was a picture on sixth day for second application. And this was areas, and patient had complete healing on 28th day. Almost all areas healed. There were small areas where I advised her grafting, but she was not willing that time, and she was discharged on 28th day. And this is the post healing that healed wound, that is after 3 months. Another case of 30% total body surface area burn in a small child, 7-year female child having 30% mixed burns. This was due to accidental flame burns. She was admitted on second day of burns to our hospital, and On the same day, under anesthesia, we applied this Acticoat dressing, and this was a picture on 20th day. So we decided to graft the remaining areas of burns. These were the remaining areas. On 25th day, we posted her for grafting for these deep wounds, which were not going to heal on its own, even with using silver dressings. And this is the result. And this is the picture on 40th. The patient had complete healing on 32nd day, and this is a follow-up picture on 40th day of the post-burn day. At the same time, they had these burns. This patient had smoke inhalation injury along with burns. This is the management on second day, application of nanocrystalline silver dressing. This is serial dressing changes with Acticoat, you can see. And this is the picture when we stop using Acticoat, and we had planned for grafting for the remaining deep areas of burns. Even on this area, this patient, this was a deeper burn on the back, and maybe that hot water fell on the back, and there was a cloth which were there for a long time in contact with the skin, and there was a deeper burn on back. So this part needed skin grafting. And this is the picture after 4 months with complete healing without any deformity, disability. You can see the movements of the shoulder also. Another case, 12, case number 12, 50% burns. This happened unfortunately during Deepavali, when this person was using firecracker in some different way, using some kerosene sprinkles like that, and he had a deep burns, sustained deep burns with inhalation lung injury also. And under anesthesia, we did debridement and applied Acticoat dressings. And when we feel that after 25 days the wounds are not going to heal, we did skin grafting on those deep areas on the neck, chest, and arms and forearms. And this is the result after complete healing of the wounds. We use feeding tubes for installation of distilled water for silver activation. These are the feeding tubes you can see in the picture. And through this, we can, with using a syringe, we can instill without changing the dressing, especially in kids. And this is another use of Acticoat Flex for this WAC dressing, that is negative pressure wound therapy dressings for prevention and treatment of wound infection. This is to prevent infection. You can see the thin Acticoat. This goes fits well for any irregularity of the surface or any cavities or elevations. And this was my conclusion. Nanocrystalline silver dressing reduces the risk of infection. It contributes to effective wound bed preparation and helps maintain a moist wound environment to assist in rapid healing. And there is a reduced frequency of dressing changes, which is cost effective and benefit to the patient, which all agree. I feel agree with me. And this is just to say thank you to my team also, who is part of this success story of our one of the most busy burns unit. Is my wife, anesthesiologist, a pathologist, orthopedic surgeon, dietitian, physiotherapist. He's my surgeon. He's my right hand person. These are some of the stuff. We have total 70 people working with us. And as you know, burns requires long and intense procedures under physically and emotionally stressful conditions, and need a, highly spirited team effort. And yes, we have one of the best team for having passion towards treating burns patient. I thank